Keeping up with Kara. Go. You can watch all the time. New videos every Friday at 12 p.m. You know what to do. Go ahead and join Kara's crew. Kara's crew. Kara's cool. Kara's crew. Kara's crew. Join Kara's crew.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kira and you are watching Keeping Up with Kira. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you for all of your likes, all of your comments, and thank you so much for subscribing. My birthday is coming up in a few days. It would mean so much to me if you guys could get this channel to 100 by my birthday, okay? So we're already at 94. If you can get this channel to 100, I will be so excited, and I'll give you guys a huge birthday cupcake when I see you. You can get a cupcake for my birthday. So for today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me and some special guests as we go to try out different food trucks. We're going to be trying out food trucks. Also, I'm going to show you guys my first experience eating Blaze Pizza. So you'll see my first look trying Blaze Pizza. You'll see some food trucks that we go to and maybe a little bit more. You'll see. You gotta keep watching. If you want me to go to some more food trucks, comment down below, #food trucks, and we're gonna find the best food trucks out here, okay? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. We just found this food truck and they have fresh flavor fusion, cookies and cream, green apple. All right guys, so here are the flavors and here are the prices. I got 2 mango strawberry Italian ice combos and Eli got cookies and cream with vanilla. So those are our 2 drinks. You excited? Yeah, let's see. All right guys, we got our ices, our gelatis, and they're so tiny. This is a regular size and Eli has a kid size.
I told you they want to be much different.
Let me see the kid size. It's literally so tiny. All right Eli, tell me, what do you think about your gelati that you just spilled?
It's only this. It's okay.
Let me see what it looks like close up.
I'm just put this in my eye.
You know, it's pretty good. All right, what do you think? Is it worth $6?
No.
It's not worth it?
It's like worth 5.
It's worth 5, okay. Is it creamy?
I think it's like in between icy and ice cream.
Gelati.
It's like both at the same time.
Yes. So what's your rating on a scale of 1 through 5?
I give it. It tastes real mango. I give it a 9.
A 9? On a scale from 1 through 5?
Wait. Oh, no, not scale. No, it's 5. I'd say I'd give it a 3.5. A 3.9.
3.9? What would make it better?
I'm just not familiar with the texture is all.
Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna give you guys my review right now. So let's rate Be Kind. Oh, I like them. This is 1 Timothy 4:12. All right, so the price is okay because they're Christian company. We must support our people. They're a Christian company, and their fruit is fresh fruit. Look at your cup. The cup is fresh. Oh, it says Be Kind. 1 Timothy 4:12. All right, guys. Good thing I turned my cup around. I just got so excited. All right, let's take the lid off so you guys can see the flavors. Look at that. It's really good. You can taste it. It's like fresh, so fresh, freshly squeezed mangoes. You hear Grandma? She said, "Oh yes." It's very nice. It's so refreshing. The weather outside is extremely hot, so this is exactly what you need on a hot day. I will go to them again. Okay. First, I was complaining about the size of the cup and the price, but that's okay. It's okay. Once in a while, it doesn't hurt to treat yourself.
Let no one despise you for your youth, but set the believers an example in in love and faith and purity.
We shouldn't have been complaining about the heat so much. 'Cause the
Timothy
sun's going
4
down.
and 12. Don't let anyone think less of you because you are young. Be an example to all believers in what you say, in the way you live, in your love, your faith, and your purity.
And something that you can just hum along to throughout the day.
You guys heard Grandma.
That's
First Timothy 4 and 12. All right, guys. So I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 just because we got scripture right here on the cups. Presentation is amazing. The taste is amazing. Price is okay. I don't love the price, but it's okay. It's okay. We're not gonna talk about the price anymore.
Ooh.
The taste is good.
I just realized after the
Presentation good, and the service was great. The guy was really nice, friendly, and yeah. So check them out. Be kind. Thumbs up. Let me see.
It's a layer of ice cream under this. Okay, I give it 4.
Let me know.
Give it 4. It went from 3.9 to 4.
Yep.
What a big jump.
A big jump.
Does yours say First Timothy as well?
They all do.
I don't know. Maybe different cups because different sizes. Maybe different sizes have
What
different
kind you
things.
got, Brianna?
The same thing as you.
It's really good.
Very fresh, right? All right, guys. This is my Cherry Mango Italian Icy. And so good. Show you guys. Actually, let me take the lid off.
Hey guys, welcome to Keeping Up with Kira. Today we're going to be exploring places, different food places, and we're going to see how they taste today.
They got 2 pieces. They have their own merch. Oh, nice.
Just like take a picture.
Oh.
Hey guys, now we're exploring. So, to a truck, but I'm not sure. Probably Mexican food. That's what I'm thinking, but I'm not sure. So, we're gonna see. Alright. Okay, they have terrifying drawings inside of there. Food. Okay. Food park rules. All mirrors must be supervised by an adult. Okay. Shirt and shoes required. Only leashed, well-behaved pets. Clean up after your pets. No smoking, vaping. Only allowed in park area. Leave no trace. Pick up after yourself. No outside food or how do I pronounce it? Beverages. Look at that. What is that? It's telephone.
People are sitting in there.
People are just sitting here.
It's a cat.
It's a cat. Can I be honest?
Smells stink. The dogs must come over here.
Yeah. Poop with my good shoes.
We're gonna go to the place where we're gonna actually eat.
So guys, we're about to go actually get some food now. So we gave you guys a tour and like, oh, that coffee smells good. But we're about to go eat now. So guys, we'll get back to you guys later well after we eat, and we'll be taking some pictures. And what is this? I guess this is a trash tree. Like, actually, I think that's its name, trash tree. So.
2 hours later.
Can you believe this whole time it wasn't even recording? Literally behind the scene footage of what it's like to be me. I just recorded my whole reaction to this pizza and it didn't even record. So that's fun. I'll just show you guys from the beginning, but you won't get my like genuine authentic reaction because I already ate the first slice. Well, I ate most of it anyway. But I'll start over. So my Auntie Simone and Uncle Jerry came to the house and they brought me pizza from Blaze Pizza. This is my first time ever having Blaze Pizza. So they wanted me to try it for the first time, and my Auntie Simone said to try it while it was still hot. So I tried it, but it didn't record. Unfortunately, this is this is how much I have left. I was just going in telling you guys how good it was. Here's my pizza. Blaze Pizza, so yummy. And it didn't record, but yeah, basically I was saying that my Uncle Jerry asked me what toppings that I like, and I told him that I like pepperoni, I like cheese, I like spinach, and buffalo chicken pizza, but he ended up getting the pepperoni pizza. So I really like it. It's a thin crust pizza. This is what, well, let me show you a fresh slice and not the one that I already started chewing on. This is what it looks like. It's really cute and tiny. It's a nice size. It's folded up. Let's take a bite out of this one since you didn't get to see the first slice. It's really good. And I like this portion because it's a lot, but it's not an overwhelming amount of pizza. Like, it's the perfect personal pan pizza for someone like me. So I definitely will go to Blaze Pizza in person and give you guys, you know, a full review. But from this personal pan pizza, I really like it. And I would definitely check them out in person. 4 out of 5. Comment down below if you want me to go in person and try out some more of their pizzas. Also, if you've been to Blaze Pizza before, comment down below what's your go-to order, and maybe I will try it when I go in person. That's good. Thank you, Uncle Jerry and Auntie Simone, for my delicious lunch. Love you guys. See you later. It's good?
It tastes good. It's super good. I like how Auntie put on the cheese. It tastes super good. I give this a 100 out of 100.
100 out of 100. It's that good?
It's so good.
It's super cheesy?
Super cheesy and super good.
Get a good look at the Smorkies. Ooh. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
The taste, they got a taste.
Underneath, this would just sit off this way, and those 4 manage to stay. But it still looks good. Should I put it in a little longer? Or just take these off and put it in longer?
Delicious. Delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, press the subscribe button right now. You will not regret it. There's so much content for everyone on my channel. There's content for people who like to watch movies. I have movie recommendations. There's content for people who like to watch challenges. I have so many challenges. Content for hair. So much hair content. There's food, everything, okay? So just subscribe. It's free.
Kara's crew, Kara's crew. Join Kara's crew.
Don't forget to catch up on previous videos.